Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a cooking stove off of this tin can. Alright, so let's get it started. Alright, so I'm gonna start by punching a hole here. Okay, now, oh, damn it, I'm gonna take my glove off. Wait, no glove if I cut myself. Oh damn it, this is pretty hard, man. See what I'm doing here would be the, oh man, that's pretty sharp. Two little legs for the stove so I can get things on fire. Man, this is harder than I see the guys do on YouTube. I could have done this at home, but I wanted to show you guys how it's done here out in the woods. Okay, see that? I'm doing two tiny legs. Damn it, it's windy. It's windy and cold. And hopefully I get things on fire here on this cooking stove. You guys see that? Okay, now I'm gonna cut two openings. Probably two openings here so the fire can get some ventilation. All right, let's cut this. See if I can do this again with this. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm gonna bend this cuttings out, and then this other one, and this other one. Now what I'm gonna do here, because there is a lot of snow, I know once this heats up it's gonna melt the snow and it might fall off. So before it does that, I'm gonna clear all the snow so it's on a steady soil. Oh yeah. Plus this will protect it from the wind. All right, this is it. Can you see it? All right, that's nice. You guys see this here. In order to cook with this fire stove, you have to wait until the fire is nice and hot, until the fire is right on fire, so you can get cooking. Oh yeah. Right, so let's get our ingredients here. You guys see that? Since this video is not sponsored, I decided to sponsor myself by bringing the vegetables and some onions so I can cook. Alright, let's put some oil on it. That should be just enough. Oh yeah, that's gonna be awesome, guys. Tap some vegetables in there. This is how you cook out in the woods. God damn it, it's tight. There's some salt. Don't put too much. I forgot my wood in the spoon. I'll let it cook a little more. I have to crank the fire here, like this. You know, at home you crank the fire low, high, or very low. But on this, here out in the wood, you crank the fire by finding firewood, like this. That's your gas stove for you. Alright, well, now we're gonna do some flipping here. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, did you guys see that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, I think this breakfast is ready. You guys see that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh yeah, I better start eating now. So that's how you cook outdoors, by just making a very quick stove out of a tin can, as you can see here. All right, now alright, thank you guys for watching, and until my next video, I hope you enjoyed watching how I was making the fire and how hard it was to get it going, but I was able to get things on fire and fry an egg. And that's how this video probably will be helpful to you when you are outdoors and wanted to cook something. You know, it's very easy to do. It doesn't require sophisticated tools. I mean, you can do a better stove than this one, but this was good enough for me. So alright, thank you guys for watching, and until my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye now.